Who cares about your content or your art? If it's not you, who initiate that idea? Who will trust you? It's only you can answer that, all right? And I care so much about you who believe in yourself. It doesn't matter how you make it. I hope you succeed or get that shit done in whatever method that you come up with, all right? Because most audiences will not care how you create that art or that content. But some people will study you forever because you inspire them on that one day. Just one day. You just need to take an action and get that shit done. And there are many artists that inspire and motivate me. But it's almost impossible in this world for them to know that how much I like them and how much they help me. That's the same way. You should not think that your work is not worth it. Just do it. There are 8 billion people in the world, and maybe one of them that love you so much, and that should be you. It's so hard to make a great art. It requires time, it requires knowledge and money. I have a fantastic idea waiting, but maybe I should wait, right? Wait until I know so I can do it well in the best way, or wait until I have more money so I get better gear and I have that smart friend so I can use them, you know? Put the right person in the right job. But forget it. Forget about that one. If you need help getting it done, get it done at your version. Please take advantage of social media platform. They are free right now. Maybe next year they're charging every platform and you cannot do anything about it. Are you gonna complain? Sure, do it, but get it done, all right? Never rely on them. Rely on yourself. Focus and improve what you can get done. People heard your voice now, but who are they? Your target audience can be anyone worldwide, but they must have something in common because we rely on algorithm to guide each digital content to the viewers. And be careful with algorithm. Don't let them use you. You have to use them. Be the shiny apple as the way you are, but be in front of them as the way you are. If you enter the market and you want to buy an apple and you are looking for some shiny, nice, crisp apple, the way you be is the best way to be, period. But you need to adapt and make sure that it works for the modern world. Your brand or your identity should be scalable and sustainable because you must risk your time to build this empire. But once you build it, you have a nice structure, you have a nice why or emotion, how you want to pursue it, you should be okay, all right? You have a nice structure. If the brand you create is not scalable or sustainable at all, why you create at the first place? Are you trying to do something? Make sure you try something on the paper first so it's done there and you know the vision, right? You might have a smaller vision, but when you get it done, you will have a bigger vision. For that phenomenon idea that you have, try to reverse engineer from the keyword that you are going to post. For example, you are making a cooking video, cooking avocado toast, blah, 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 blah. But that keyword, look up for top 10 for specific topic, how they do it well on any social media platform. If you like long content, do YouTube. If you love short content, TikTok, IG, Facebook, YouTube short, anything. Twitter, even that, if you just need to type something, right? But whatever it is, don't rely on them. Rely on you and improve it from there. And audience comments, how they think. The reason to look up for the role model so you can have some great idea where to go. But you don't need to follow them and you don't need to copy them, but you can steal them. A little bit of this and that. You can steal great idea from successful people, right? Mike Tyson, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Kanye West, Elon Musk, Kevin Hart, Joe Rogan, whoever you want to do it your way. Combine the technique with your idea. Experiment it. Go deeper on what you do best. We could have a pioneer of a new genre, a genre of something we haven't have a name yet, but you have created because you just fall in love with it and you are curious about something in the whole life. How many times you are curious about something so bad? How many times they tell you to not be curious about? Think about what you were excited when you were a kid, when you were 10, when you were 15, when you were 9. Those ages are amazing. You are lost. But that curiosity can improve the world. It can bring the world into a better situation. However, there are tons of competitors. Why would my voice matter? Fighting the blue ocean is an excellent concept to adapt to our solopreneur life. In this social media game, I would recommend you to watch Jake's Tran video. YouTuber will never tell you this, but I'm telling you this. Oops, I'm sorry. You should watch it. You will find a way to create your own monopolized game. Create your own style and find a way to be the shiny apple so you can lure your customer to come in and pick you. It's only for someone to be in some races. You might enjoy competing with your present and improving each step ahead. This is the hardest one to compete. Competing with yourself. You have time limited, you have voices in you, and you have to echo those voices around you as well. But who cares? The action, equal reaction. Your works generate feedback and comments, as there are 3 types of them. First, from the world. They knew you just a few minutes or a few times in life. They feel something and they want to say something. And that's amazing. You have done the job. That's why they're saying something. Second, from friends and coworkers who knows your work ethic and sociological side of you. They know how you work, they know what you like, they know what you have done, and they know how you interact with the world. And the last one, type 3, the family who grow you up. They understand your psychology, everything you do. Doesn't matter how you think, doesn't matter how you feel. They will not judge you because they are the family. And I'm not talking about parents or siblings. I'm talking about someone who care about you so much. Can be a teacher, can be someone close to you, someone that cook food for you all the time, someone that asking you all the time, how you doing? That's the family. And I'm not saying they're gonna love you or they're gonna hate you. Yin and yang, whatever happened on one side, it will be another thing happen on another side as well. Listening to your voice, this voice will be gone. It will be gone. Because you keep hearing those comments around the world and that's the only one way. And it's only one that will go with you until the last day. It will help. If you live like this might be the last time for you. As a content creator, you must learn how to manage comments and feedback wisely. You have to listen to them, but do not let them consume you. Set some boundaries, use tools to help, and take break or seek support when needed. Remember, the path to be balanced is the path to success. The force is strong within you, young Padawan. Use it to find peace and clarity in managing comment and feedback, because you can always flip the world to another side, like the front and the back. Here is a flip stick. Forget the tripod because you flip and stick. Flip stick is a NASA technology, Snoop Dogg certified, and at affordable cost. This is just the first generation, and they are launching a second generation where the flip stick can pull out and rotate and pan and tilt and do many things. I'm excited to try it on. If you would like to support me I appreciate you a lot. I'm a brand ambassador for Flipstick. You can just use this link below and I will get a commission if you buy it. Thank you so much. When you found your role model, like sport player or musician, just watch a documentary or even a podcast or interview, you will learn so much from them because they have failed many things. They have that tight and intense discipline. They have to practice. They have to compete. And you're just learning at home, watching them spreading out the secret sauce, still only the best part from them to be the best part of you. And there are many successful persons that succeed on life, art, and business. Those people are my idol. They know the struggle, they know the fame, they know the money, but they know how to handle it. And if the heart of the project is purely you, you have the great wish to the world, I believe nothing can stop you. We need a better world. Start forming a team, buying them some beer, trading some services, or sharing some food. You will have a better start. This action can get the gear going because you are growing. It's not only you anymore. What?